So a lambda function is an anonymous function without name. We're not giving any name here. Likewise, you can also check whether the number is a even number or odd number. So you can check it. Check even number or check even is a name of the function. Here can give lambda, lambda x. Okay. So you can give here even, return the even if x is divided by 2 is equal to 0. Else odd number. See guys, that's it. In a single line of code, see carefully, I am explaining this. See here. If x divided by 2 is equal to 0, return this value, return this even number, or else return the odd number. In a single line of code, we are checking whether the given number is even number or odd number. So we are just passing a number here. Lambda x, x is an argument. And the result will be stored in this check even. It's a variable. The result variable. So if you want to check that, so print check even of 5. So that is odd. If I give here 14 even. So if you want to write the same code, we have to write a big function, use a different function. But the lambda function is very simple. Understood, guys? So how it is going to evaluate inside the, if x is, see, we are defining lambda x colon. This is the expression. This is the argument. The lambda is a keyword. So what is our syntax here? Our syntax is lambda arguments colon expression. So here lambda argument is x colon. Here the expression is from here to here. This expression is evaluating here if x modulus 2, that is divided by 2, returning any remainder is 0, return this value, even value, else return the odd. Okay. So this result is going to be assigned to this check even. That we can check it. It is one more example for this, checking the even or if else, using if else kind of syntax. There are some common use cases available with lambda, but you are not going to use them, but you need to understand how it is going to use. For example, I have nums is a list of values like 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. There's a list here. If I want to square it of all these numbers in a single line, so list of map is there, map function is there. Lambda of x to the power of 2, all the squares, and pass the nums here. That's it. See here how it is going to evaluate here. Lambda x is the syntax argument. This is the argument. This is the lambda is the num. So it is written in the expression x square, x to the power of 2. And what we are passing to this map function, this map function is taking 2 arguments. One is lambda function. The other one is the numbers what we have defined in the list. And again, finally, we are converting this output as the list items. So squared is a list now. So when you execute this function now, print of squared. So it's going to print squared lamb BDA. Always I am. Okay, this one. So squares of all the 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5, like this. Map function is going to apply a function to each element in a list. So map, you can note down this, map function apply a function to each element in a list. You can note down this point, guys. See, these are all advanced concepts. Just you need to understand the concept. We're not going to use them. But if you have some more years experience, like 4 years, 5 years experience, then you have to use these advanced functions also. That too, whenever you are getting a job in the domain of Python with data analytics. If you are going to SQL with other visualization tool like Power BI, there's no need to have this kind of Python language at all. Okay, like that we have a filter function. So if you want to get, suppose nums is equal to, I am assigning some numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here I want to get only even numbers from this, events, E-V-E-N. Okay. So you can convert this list and then filter is there. Filter lambda of x is an argument. X divided by 2, that is modulus divided by 2 is 0. Return the nums here. That's it. So print all the even numbers in the list. It's going to print B, D, A. Okay. So 2, 3, 2, 4. Suppose if I give here 6, 7, 8 also. So it's going to print all the, it filters only the even numbers within the given expression. So this filter function is used to filter the elements by a condition. So filter function, it filters elements by a condition. That's all, guys. You don't worry about the more detailed programming concepts. This is enough for you. Maximum advanced concepts are this, lambda with the filter and map functions. So map is going to apply a function to each element, but filter is going to apply a condition on the given elements. So here lambda x is the argument, x divided by 2 is 0. If it is returning the remainder 0, return the value, filter it and convert into list items and assign it to the event. So this is all about functions, guys. Do you have any doubts now? What if there are 4 elements in a median? It is going to, you have to tell Nitin. You learned that in high school grade, right? How will you calculate the median if we have even numbers? Middle values divided by 2. We will discuss in the statistics concepts, Nitin. Don't worry. What is the difference between floor and seal? See here, I'm explaining this. Seal is, if I give here minus 9.7, it is going to give us the nearest lower value. Higher value. So minus 9.7 is minus 9. For example, if I give here floor, this is going to give us the lowest value, the nearest lowest value. 4.5 means floor of means here 4. If I give seal of 4.5, it's going to give us 5. Rounding of the bigger value. That is with seal. But floor means lower value. Understood, Nitin? Okay. So in Python till now, guys, this is the more advanced concepts. You don't have more than this complexity. Okay, because sir told in the beginning days there is no programming. Now again he is telling the programming. Don't worry. So these are all the different fundamentals you have to learn. Okay. The next concept is strings, guys. Strings, the sequence data types. Okay. So from now on, you don't feel complexity. It's very simple. Okay. What is a string? As I told you, a string is a collection of characters. Okay. So what are the different types of sequence data types available in Python? Strings, lists, tuples. Strings, lists, and tuples. Strings contains only characters, sequence of characters. Lists contain any kind of data type. It may be a real number or a integer number or a string character, etc. Okay. Strings is a mutable or immutable, guys. Mutable data type or immutable data type? Is it right? Online, guys, can you tell me? String is a immutable or immutable? Immutable, very good. So immutable, we cannot change the, once it is created, the string is created, we cannot change the elements in the string. Okay. So here, for example, I'm defining a string here. Let me create some list of cells here. Okay. str1 is equal to hello world. General word, this is a general word, right? So what it contains, it is containing HELLO space WORLD exclamatory mark here. So these are all different characters, right? So we can define this with a string. str1 is equal to single quotes also we can define, right? Both are same. Single quotes or double quotes are same in Python, as I told you already. Okay. So here, for example, if I want to get the first character in this string, we can use that str of 0. 0 means H. It's going to get the first character. 0 is the index starting from 0 onwards. So here, this string contains 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. All the indexes are starting from 0. Okay. If I want to get W here, can anyone tell now? str1 of 6 or 7 starts from 0. There is a space also available, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6. W. Okay. So we can extract the characters like accessing the elements in the string. Okay. For example, if I want to get the exclamatory mark here, str1 of, what is the value of that? 11. The exclamatory mark, we got it, right? The last one. So remove this one. Only one is enough. Okay, fine. So, can you done this? So, string is a sequence of characters. You can also note a sequence of Unicode characters. Unicode means universal codes, like it may contain any type of code, a zero or a special character or a any other Chinese character or a Japanese character or English character or Telugu character also. Unicode means universal codes. Okay, so a string is a sequence of Unicode characters Unicode characters. So a string can be created by enclosing single quotations or double quotations. One or more, enclosed by one or more characters in single or double. Double or triple also, or triple quotes. Single, double or triple quotations. So here accessing characters in a string. Each individual characters can be accessed. Each individual character in a string can be accessed using a technique called indexing. Using a technique called indexing. Okay. So the index is specified as a character written in that is in the square brackets, right? So index always starts from 0 and the last character is always n minus 1. So whenever you see this Excel, I'm opening this Excel. So you can note down these examples, guys, whatever the examples I provided. How to access the elements inside the string. So str 1 of 0, str 1 of 6, str 1 of 11. Like that, we can also have the negative indexing, guys. Let me explain it in the Excel sheet so you can easily understand this. So I'm removing all these things here. So what is that? Hello world, right? So hello world. So H E E L L O space W O R L D and then exclamatory mark, guys. Okay. So the index starts from the positive indexes are positive. Indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And negative indexes are negative here. See, this is a string. And this negative index starts from here in the last year. It is starting from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, guys. So this is how index, let me minimize this. So this is the bold letters and this is the positive numbers. Let me use this one as other number like this. Okay, understood, guys? So hello world is a string which contains different characters. If you want to access them by using indexes, so you can use that. Let me, okay, or else I can use it on the right hand side only. Okay, fine. So now here H can be accessed with a positive index as 0 and the last digit can be accessed with 11 with positive numbers. If you want to access the last character with a negative index, what is that? Starting from minus 1. Okay. So if I want to access this H here, minus 12. So let me check it. So here str1 of minus 1 means, what is that? Exclamatory mark, right? See here. This is the negative indexes and these are the positive indexes. Okay. So we can access this here. With positive, we can use 11. Last character minus 1. 0 starts from 0 minus n minus 1. Here it is starting from minus 1. So if you want to get the first character with the negative, minus 12. So str1 of minus 12. H. Like that, we can access the elements with a positive and negative indexes. Okay, guys, understood? This is very important because the same concept we are going to apply for lists also, tuples also. Indexing is very important. And the same concept we are going to apply for pandas also. Okay. So this is a basic and very important concept, indexing. So it counts the character, this blank space also. Remember that. Okay. Any doubts, guys? So if you want to find the length of a string, I told you already, right? Length of str1. Can use that 12 characters totally. Okay. So as I told you, string is a immutable data type. A string is immutable data type, right? It means that it cannot be changed after it is created. See, for example, if I want to try to change str1 of 1 is equal to A, for example, if I want to change it here, is it possible? It's not possible because it is not mutable. It's an immutable data type. We cannot change once it is assigned. str object does not support item assignment because already it is created and assigned some characters. We cannot change in the middle. Okay. So that is immutable data type. So a string is a, again and again I'm telling the same. String is an immutable data type. It means that the contents of the string cannot be changed after it has been created. This is important. And string operations. Okay. Now come back to this. I'm writing something. Okay, guys. Then string operations. Concatenation, repetition, membership, slicing. These are all the different operations that we can perform on strings. So for example, I have, okay. Let me come back to this and then removing this content. So here, for example, I have created str1 is equal to hello and then str2 is equal to world, like this. If we want to use like here str1 plus str2, what will happen? It is going to concatenate two strings here, adding two strings here. Okay, concatenating. Here there is no space here. Why? Because there is no space in between these two here. Okay. Likewise, if you want to give here str1 into 2, what will happen? 2 times it is going to print hello, hello. If I give here 10 means 10 times it's going to print. That is called repetition. This is called concatenation. So one is concatenation. So here I am marking down as string concatenation. Okay. And this is repetition. Oh, mark down. Repetition. Okay. Likewise here, we can give a string with a multiply with any of the digits. Okay. Membership, for example, if you want to check, yes, true. If I give here m in str1, it gives false. There is no, so that is called membership operator. Using the membership operator also, we can use it along with the strings. Then mark down slicing. See, for example, here I am redefining the same string is equal to hello world. Okay, hello world. Here, if I want to get only substring of the string, for example, str1 of 1:5. 1 means here, what is the 1 here? Index of starting point, that is 0, 1e. Last one means here, basically, this string takes here n to n minus 1, guys. So actually, the syntax of this one is str1 of n colon m, for example. Okay. So it returns all the characters from str1 of n till str1 of n minus m minus 1. So now tell me, what is the answer for this? str1 of n colon m returns all the characters from str of n. N means here? Yes, excellent. That is the output. ELLO. Because it is starting from 1 to 5. So if I execute this here, ELLO. Hello. If I give here str1 of 7 colon 10, what will happen, guys? Tell me now. 7 colon 10. What is the output? O or L. That's it. O or L. If the index is too big, it is going to truncate down to the end of the string. Suppose if I give here str1 of 3 comma 20, 3 colon 20, even though you give the more number, it is going to cut off the end of the string. So starting from third, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, L, O or L, W or LD. Okay. So you can note down this point. Index that is too big is truncated down to the end of the string. And one more important thing, guys, here. Suppose if you are not mentioning the first index, like here, if I am giving colon 5, what will happen? If I am not mentioning the starting value, given the ending value now, it takes from the beginning. Okay, 0 starts from 0. So it gives substring from index 0 to 4. It's going to give hello. HELLO. Are you following, guys? Easy, right? But you have to practice these, guys. Likewise, if I give here str1 of 6 colon, what will happen? Yes. Gives the substring from the index 6 to the end. So gives substring from index 6 to end. It's going to give us WO or LD. And then one more important thing here is, see here, str1 of 0 colon 10 colon 2. Like our range function, we have here step also available. Tell me now, what is the output? Skipping one character here, right? So here, it is going to give us H after skipping 1. That is 2 means here 1 here. The actual string contains 2 characters. Yes. Sorry, 2 characters. 2 means 2 characters here. So this is nothing but the syntax will be str1 of n colon m colon k. So here it is giving us, here k means every kth character. To the extracted, to be extracted from the string str1 from n and m ending with m minus 1. From n and ending at m minus 1. That's it, guys. So if I am giving here str1 contains hello world. So now within that, starting from 0, skip the 2 characters. So first character is h, right? Second 2 characters are skipping here. The third character is here l. So here kth character means here second character 0, except exclude this second character l, exclude this character l and o, and exclude this character w o space and then w, and exclude this character o and print the r, because we have given 10 only. The last digit is 10 means n minus 1. That is 9th character till 9th character. Understood this, guys? The last one. N, M, K. K means here the kth character to be extracted from the given string str1. Now tell me, suppose if I give here, see guys, 0 colon 10 colon 3, if I give here, what is the result? Kth character means here it is okay. H, first thing is H, okay. Then not O, third character L, yes. Then H, L tarvata no W, then again L. So it's going to print H, L, W, L. Don't get confused, guys. It's very simple. Just look into the overall, not go into dig into that. Just only see that we have given the starting point, ending point, and repeated the next skipping values k. If I tell you negative indexes now, it's all based on this one only, guys. Remember this. This is important. Based on this one only, indexes are extracted from the same. If I give here str1 of, for example, if I give here minus 6 colon minus 1, what will happen? This is going to characters at index minus 6, minus 1, sorry, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, and minus 2. Right? What is that? From this one? Huh? See guys, we have hello world guys. Characters at 6, at -6. -6 ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? No. See, I am telling you clearly here. Characters at index -6, -5, -2, -4, -3, -2. Like look into this one here. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. World. Okay. Don't get confused, guys. That is the output. Following? Huh? Okay. No, we have everything in the same. We are working on the same hello world only from the beginning. Suppose if I am giving str1 of str, see carefully guys. This is one of the important interview question. str1 of here colon -1. What will happen, guys? We did not give any starting point, no ending point, but reverse string. That's it. So how will you reverse a string? By using string slicing. This is the concept. Simple. So that is exclamatory mark, D, L, R, like this from left to right here. All these characters from left to right. Okay. So starting nothing given, last digit is also not given, but step is -1. So from the ending to the beginning. So traversing a string means here, traversing means going through the each character. For example, str1 contains hello world. We know already. Okay. So suppose if I want to give here like ch, for ch in str1, you can also print it directly. So print ch and then it's going to print like this. Hello world. Traversing each character from the string. For ch means first time ch contains, see basically what str1 contains, str1 contains hello world, right? So this is our actual string. So if you want to extract each character from that string by using this looping, we can use it. For ch, that is character in str1, print ch, every time it is going to print each character till the end of the last character. Understood, guys? Likewise, we can also use while loop also. Okay. Some of the built-in functions provided by Python, string functions. Like length, you know already, right? len of str1. What will happen? They're going to print the number of characters, right? So length function is used to return the length of the string. Likewise, we have title. So title function provides us, returns the string with the first letter of every word in uppercase and rest in lowercase. Okay. For example, if I give here str1 is equal to hello world, what will happen now? If I give str1 dot title, it's going to print initial characters. All initial characters are in caps lock, caps letters. The remaining are lowercase letters. Even though we gave the small letters, but it is going to convert the first initial letters as uppercase. That is the purpose of title function. These are the built-in functions for string manipulations. Likewise, we can also use lower, str1 dot lower. So that is going to convert the entire string into lowercase. Uppercase letters converted to lowercase. Likewise, str1 dot upper. So this is a function. Lowercase letters converted to uppercase. To check whether it's a lower case or uppercase, can use it. str1 dot is lower. Like that, str1 dot is upper. Returning the true or false, guys. Okay, guys, I'm giving you one small exercise like this. See, my subject is a string which contains data analytics. So now, what will be the output of the following statements? For example, if I give here my subject of 0 comma length of my subject. What is the output, guys, for this one? You have to find it. Then if I give here my subject of minus 7 colon minus 1. So this is, you have to print it. My subject of colon 2. My subject of length of my subject of minus 1. Two into my subject. What will happen, guys? 2 into my subject. Huh? 2 times, right? That's it. If I give here my subject of colon 3 plus my subject of 3 colon, what will happen, guys? The fourth question, this one or this one? Length of, what is the length of this total string and minus 1? That's it. Practice, guys, all these today's concepts, this slicing and indexing are important because these same concepts are where we are going to apply on pandas for our data analysis purpose. You should be very thoroughly work on this slicing and indexing. The same thing is going to be applied on our pandas. Again and again, I'm telling you, this is important. Don't get confused, guys. You need to remember this chart. Just only positive indexing and negative indexing. How it is going to traverse by using indexing or slicing. Okay. Any doubts? Understood this concept, guys? So today we have learned the functions, some of the advanced functions, and what is the module, how to import the modules, how to import the separate functions without importing all the functions within the module, lambda functions, map and filter functions, and string operations. String indexing, slicing, repetition, membership. You have tested all these things and traversing. Okay, guys. Practice completely all these today's concepts. And tomorrow we'll discuss about the other topics like lists and tuples. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed day. You are sitting online today.